Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you that how you can fix your black screen in OBS Studio in Windows 10, which basically pulls you one step behind to capture your moment. For that, all you have to do is follow these three simple steps that I'm going to tell you right now. The first step is you have to make changes in your file location settings. So for that, let's go when I'll start doing it. So for that, you have to firstly, you have to know that where's your actual file location of your OBS Studio. As you can see right there, it is in C drive. After that, you have to go in program files. After that, OBS Studio, then bins, then 64-bit. So let's go. I'll just open up the PC and I'll go in C drive, then program files. Then I'll just look for the OBS Studio. It's right there. I'm just gonna click that, then bins, then 64-bit, and I'm gonna look for the .exe file. All right, and I'm gonna right click right there, and then I'll go to properties, then I'll go to compatibility, and in this particular pop-up I have to click on the run this program in compatibility mode 4, and I have to click Windows 7, particularly Windows 7. And after that, I have to run this program as an administrator. I already did the I already implied it, so I don't have to apply again and again. So just apply it and click OK and close this. And the second step is you have to make changes in your graphics setting. So for that, you have to click on Start. You have to write Graphics Settings. Then you have to hit OK, Enter. And in this particular pop-up, you can see classic apps and universal apps. You have to click on classic apps and you have to do browse. All right. I already, did everything on my PC, but for it to show you guys how I did it, I'll just, go follow the same steps I did as I did before. So I go to Windows C, then program files, then I'll look for OBS Studio, then bin, then 64, then .exe file. I will click it and then I have to just add it. And as you can see right there, it's a specified app was already added. So I am not gonna add it. So because as you can see that it's already added in there. And so I'm just gonna show you that how and what particular option you have to tick it or untick it. So you have to hit options after that, and as you can see that there are three options over there. First is the system default, other one is power saving, and the last one is high performance. You have to, on your system it should be system default, you have to hit power savings. All right, then you have to hit save and then close the app. And the third and the last option is you have to make changes in your Nvidia control panel, and for that you have to right click on your desktop and then click on Nvidia control panel, and it gonna take a while to start up, so let's wait for it. All right, it's just open right now, and over there you have to click on manage 3D settings first. After that you have to click on program settings. All right, so in my computer, my PC, it's already been added. For you guys, you have to click on add and look for the open broadcaster software, commonly known as OBS. Just look in there, right here you can find it, and then you have to simply click on add selected program. That's it. After that you have to select high performance Nvidia processor, or you can also select integrated graphics setting. You have to figure it out yourself that in which option it's being working or not, right? For me it's working on high performance Nvidia processor, and after clicking on it you have to just apply it over there. It will take some time to apply, and after that application, you have to just close it, and simply you have to start your OBS studio like it. And when you will add your display capture in it, if you see this screen mirroring effect, it means it's working and you can start recording from this button. So that's it from my side today. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please comment below if you have any questions regarding this video. Bye bye for now.